Oh, hi friends. It is finally starting to warm up this week, which means it's finally time for some spring outfit inspo. And as usual, my go-to place to turn is Pinterest. So today, we're recreating some Pinterest outfits with my own personal flair, of course. I'm actually kind of extra excited this time because I think we just have some like extra creative inspo. I actually feel that way every time, but it stands this time as well. I'm excited. Let's just get into it. First up, we're starting with sort of a classic Pinterest look, long skirt with big t-shirt. I love that this outfit in particular looks so cool and funky. It has personality to it, but it's also actually so simple and looks very comfortable. Literally nothing is better or more comfortable for spring than a long skirt and a big t-shirt. I do have a red plaid midi skirt myself, so I'll be using that along with my own oversized graphic tee on top. And then we'll fill it in with the accessories, the black bag, the black boots, the little hair ribbon, the works, as they say. All right, here is outfit number one, and I'm loving this. I feel like this is such a simple combination of things, but I feel really cool in this. And also, I don't think I've ever thought of pairing this t-shirt with this skirt before, even though I think they look great together. There are a couple things I would change. The first one is I put the ribbon on the bag instead of in my hair because honestly, I like how my hair looks today and I didn't want to mess it up. I totally would wear this in my hair, but just for now, I put it on the bag. Also a great option. I would also wear the bag crossbody like this just because the long crossbody intended bag worn just on one shoulder always feels like it's gonna fall off to me. I like to feel secure. And I like how it sort of breaks up the outfit, adds a diagonal line. I think I would also tuck in the shirt on one side. I have short legs, so I just need something to like raise the waistline a little bit. And I love this. It still looks really slouchy and casual, but I like the proportions on me. This is great. Next time I need an outfit that's like casual and comfy, but still has some slayage, this is the one. I'm locking it away in my brain. Our next outfit is this one right here. And I was so drawn to this one because it uses this sheer, flowy, hyper feminine lace top in such like a cool, casual, laid back way. And I have sort of a similarly extra, sheer, flowy button up that I have been trying to style in some more casual, wearable ways. So I'm excited to try it layered over my own graphic tee. On the bottom, I'm just realizing I'm pretty sure this is a little skirt, but I have been mentally reading it as like some wide shorts this whole time. And I have my own sort of wide leg green khaki-ish shorts. So I'm gonna do shorts for mine. All right, here's what we have. Honestly, I'm a little torn on whether I think this is working for me. Like, I think it's cool. I like the sort of androgyny paired with this super floofy shirt. I think my outfit is even a little more casual and a little more androgynous because we've got shorts, we've got sort of a chunkier shoe, a less feminine bag. Overall, I think this is cool. The only thing I'm not super certain about is wearing this shirt on top open because it just has such a gigantic collar. I've commented on this in videos before. I feel like this shirt only works buttoned all the way up because otherwise the collar is so floppy. I've actually been considering lately, should I just remove the collar? I've done that on another shirt and it worked out really well. And I feel like it could be the solution here. So please weigh in. Let's flip it in really quick and imagine what it would look like without it. Okay, it's sheer, so obviously you can see it inside, but like, I think this looks a lot better. Honestly, it kind of looks cool like this. Should I just start wearing it with the collar flipped in? Is it avant-garde? I don't know, maybe. Kind of a vibe. Either way, let me know what you think, but I think overall, this is very cool. It feels like a great way to get more use out of this shirt that is just so over the top. And this is absolutely not something I ever would have come up with had I not seen that picture on Pinterest. So that's a win. Next up, we're going super basic, but in like an iconic way. I feel like denim on denim has been kind of having a moment for quite a while now. Honestly, the moment may be like waning at this point. I'm not sure. But for me, the denim on denim moment is just beginning. I have been really drawn to this sort of look lately. It feels like it has a similar appeal to like a jumpsuit or any sort of one piece where the single piece is the whole outfit and it's simple, but it's statement making at the same time. You can't go wrong with that. All right, y'all, here's the joutfit. What do we think? I'm honestly kind of obsessed. I'm kind of in love with this. I feel like it's really hard to have an outfit that is really simple and casual, but also bold and statement making at the same time. But this does it. Like jeans and a buttoned up jean jacket on top, creating a sort of jean suit, if you will, is just such a vibe, for lack of a better word. For the shoes in the bag, I wanted to like add some interest to the outfit, you know, make them fashionable and chic, but also keep them simple. I don't know why when like the shoes or the bag are too statement with a jout fit, it feels like it's trying too hard to me. And like, you saw my last two outfits. Obviously, I'm not opposed to trying hard or looking like I'm trying hard. But I think with this, because the whole point to me of like an all jean outfit is that it looks so casual and effortless, something that looks very effortful sort of like takes away from it in a way. So I just went with neutral shoes and a neutral bag, but I think having the bag quite small is like very chic still. It feels very elevated. And same with the shoes. They're simple, they're black, but because they have these little red rosettes that I added on, there's just like a little something special to them without it being so much of like a bold statement that it takes away from the denim. At least to me. I don't even know if this outfit feels super me. It might feel like a little too like chic, minimal cool girl. My outfits are normally like a little more chaotic than this, but I think it looks great. I really like how it looks. And maybe I'll wear some variation on this someday soon. Okay, next up we've got a more elevated matchy outfit. This look right here. Honestly, this outfit has been living in my brain since I first saw it on Pinterest. Every part of this shape and silhouette is just so cool to me. And honestly, I really don't know that I have the pieces to recreate something like this. But we're gonna try. I also have these two sort of similar looks as supplementary inspo. You know, it doesn't have to look exactly like the one that I originally had in mind. Something like these would also be really cool. I think for me, the key elements are the puff sleeves, the flared sort of skirt or peplum element, and then black pants underneath. We'll see how my pieces measure up to these sort of silhouettes of the inspo. Okay. I don't think this outfit quite accomplished what I wanted it to, but I accomplished something different that I still think is really cool. The thing that I was looking for that I didn't quite get here is the silhouette on the top half of this outfit. I love the puffy sleeves and then the flare, but the flare of this skirt just sits too low because it's a skirt, not a shirt. What I really was going for here was something more like this, with like this poof and flare higher up on my body. And this isn't quite giving me that. However, the unexpected thing that I did accomplish is the silhouette of these pants. I love that they're baggy and they're sort of cinched at the bottom. I don't know if this person is cinching these pants like with ribbons or something, or if the pants are just like that, but I just took some black lounge pants I have and tied some ribbons around the ankles, and I think the shape it creates is so cool. For shoes, I just did my loafers again because the picture had some sort of chunky flat shoes, so, you know, I did the same thing. Do I think I would quite wear exactly this? No. But would I wear a version of this with some adjustments and some tweaks to it? Yes, totally. And I really am just loving the discovery that I can style these pants this way. Like, this looks so cool to me. That is definitely my primary takeaway from this little styling experiment. And that really speaks to why it's great to just try to style an outfit or recreate an outfit, even if you don't think you quite have the pieces to do it. Just see how close you can get, and then you'll probably come up with something new that isn't that outfit, but is something else creative and interesting that you like, that you've never thought of before. This next outfit just like screams effortlessly cool to me. It's so chill, but it still has so much personality. I love it. Also, I saw this photo and then I started seeing this woman appearing all over my Pinterest feed, and I was like, who is that? Her style is amazing. And then I learned it's Scout Willis, Bruce Willis's daughter. Literally don't know anything about her, but she is my new street style icon. I love her. Okay, this is kind of everything to me. I absolutely love this, and there is no world in which I would have come up with this on my own without seeing that picture. As you can see, I kept the pants from the last outfit, and this one also kind of had the wide and then cinched pants. I think she just has hers like tucked into her boots, but I just left the ribbons on because they were already there. I think it looks good. And then on top, I actually had sort of an assortment of jackets, shirts, sweaters to potentially go over this, but I landed on this flannel because I just think it really captures that totally casual energy that this has. Of course, the like funky colored tote bag also feels essential to part of what makes this cool to me, so I added my striped one. I just love this. This is taking like some really classic items like a flannel and combat boots that I've been wearing for, I don't know, over a decade at this point, and taking them in a direction that feels totally new, totally fresh, so casual, cool, yet so unique and styled. I'm just like so pleased with this. I didn't expect to feel so many feelings about this outfit. I do like that her outfit has more different tones going on between the shirt, the pants, and the shoes. I don't love that mine is all black because it just like runs together, but that's really my only complaint. Yeah, I feel super, super cool in this. I will definitely be experimenting more with like these really casual kind of grungy basics that I've been wearing since I was in high school and styling them in like new, unexpected ways like this. This next outfit will be based very loosely on both of these two photos. And really what I like about both of these is the sort of tunicky, long top element that has slits up the sides, paired with a full skirt on the bottom. I have a gray knit sort of tunicky vest with slits on the sides, and I'm not sure I've ever styled it with like a full longer skirt. So I'm really excited to try that silhouette that I'm sort of seeing in these images. I don't know what else I'm gonna add yet, but we'll see when we get there. All right, here's what we have, and I am very pleased with this. Obviously, we have this little like sweater vest tunicky thing with the slits. Honestly, I kind of misremember this as having like a bigger, higher slit than it actually does, and I kind of wish the slit were more dramatic for the sake of this outfit. But regardless, I still think it looks cool. And then we have this very full white skirt. I think the shape of these together is really cool. I've also never worn this vest with a tank top before, and I thought spring outfits, great time to try. And I think it creates a more unique, more interesting look that also feels a little less covered up and less conservative. Of course, for shoes, you just can't go wrong with a tall boot under a long skirt. And then I did want to add some color and pattern somewhere. So of course, I have my little chunky mismatched beaded necklace and this striped tote bag. And then this wasn't even in my original vision for this video, but while I was trying to figure out what to add to this outfit, I was like, this is the perfect time to try the little double bag look that we've been seeing on runways recently. I feel like I've been seeing a lot of people talking about it and loving it, and I am totally in agreement. It's just as easy to carry as one bag, but it looks way more interesting, and it's double the storage, baby. So I just looped this smaller black bag over one of the straps of this larger green striped tote bag, and I think these look really cool together. I'm excited to like experiment with this more with other bags I have, especially ones that are honestly too small to be that useful, that are more just decorative. This is the perfect moment for those bags to shine. They can be decoration on my useful bags. I love it. So yes, super into the double bag thing. That was not even what this outfit was based on, but I think it looks so cool. Love the shape and silhouette of these together, feeling spring appropriate. And also feeling, again, casual, comfortable, but still I am wearing something that feels quite unique and interesting to me. Finally, our last outfit is inspired by this little flat lay image. Side note, I have been loving flat lay style inspo like this lately on Pinterest. I just find myself always drawn to it. I think I like that it shows you an outfit idea without it having to be on a certain body type or a certain person. It sort of removes that other context and it's just about the clothes, which I enjoy. Anyway, I have been looking for some ways to style some striped pants I recently thrifted, and I love this striped pants look, and I have my own blue beanie and yellow lens sunglasses. So I was like, perfect place to start. On top, I actually don't have a horizontal striped sweater, but I do have a Fair Isle sweater, which in a way is just sort of like fancy maximalist stripes. And I think that could actually be a really cool combo with my striped pants. So we're gonna try it. This image also has silver sneakers. I have sneakers and I have silver shoes. We'll see which one looks better. And yeah, let's put it on. Okay, here's what we have. I absolutely love this sweater paired with these pants. I, again, feel like I'm being very annoying, repeating myself so many times in this video, but never would have thought to put these two things together, but I think they parallel each other so well. There's even some sort of star-like shapes in here. This is red and blue. This has red and blue. They both have like subtle stripes, but in different ways. I love it. I do think these are doing too much with this. I don't know. I just don't like them with it, so I'm gonna take these off. The hat is a great solid that ties in the blue of both of these pieces and gives us like something solid for the eyes to land on. It's not just all a blend of colors and patterns. And I also love the silver shoes with this. They just feel, I don't know, a very fun, unexpected pop that makes this feel more fashiony. Overall, I think this is such a fun, playful combo. Like, it's still really casual and comfy and wearable. It's just pants, a sweater, and a hat, you know? But because of the patterns, it feels quite unexpected. Honestly, the sweater is kind of giving like après-ski, and the pants are kind of giving like Memorial Day on a boat. So it's sort of like two rich people activities vibing together, but in a way that is not giving preppy rich people outfit, you know? It feels way more fun and playful. I just keep looking at this in the mirror. I'm like, this is so fun. I definitely will wear this sweater with these pants. And honestly, I struggle to style this sweater too. So this is like such a perfect way to style both of these items that I feel a little uncertain about sometimes. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for joining me on this delightful little dress up journey. It is always so fun for me, especially with the seasons changing, to like imagine all the possibilities of my wardrobe and my outfits for the coming months. And I feel very inspired now. Please tell me your favorite looks in the comments. And I heard if you do leave a comment, watch another video, like maybe this one right here, and subscribe to my channel, your Pinterest feed will serve you exclusively inspiration using pieces you already have in your closet.